This is Skill of the Week. We're captain for the Irish Cerebral Palsy football team, Heather Jamieson, and FAI Football Development Officer, Cameron Malloy-Mules, will demonstrate a new skill for you to practice each week.
This week's skill, we're going to work on scooping the ball up into the air and catching it in our hands, and different ways to catch it.
Now, there's two ways to scoop it. If you want to scoop straight from the floor, or if you need an extra touch, that's no problem. We're going to show you both ways. And when we're scooping from the floor, we want to get our foot right underneath the football. So sneak our toes underneath the football and then bring our toes right to the sky.
If you're struggling to scoop the ball directly from the ground, you can add in an extra touch to help yourself get the ball into the air. So you roll the ball back, one touch, and into your hands. Make sure to keep practicing hard with this one, guys, because it can be a little bit challenging. That's why we have the two options for you to try.
And if you found it a little bit too easy, we want you to try the same thing with your other foot.